a variable region. If in this we are having a, in heavy chain we have a variable region, so that is called as a binding site. You can see this is a variable region, in the, this is a heavy chain, right? So in this we are having a variable region, so this will be the binding site. And if we talk about constant region in a heavy chain, so that will be the functional region. If we talk about constant region, so that will be the functional. What is mean by functional region? That is mean by that make structure of the antibody. Functional region make the structure of the antibody. Structure of antibody. And variable region make the binding site of antibody. And antibody have two binding site. It have two binding site, one this one and one this one, as these both are the variable region, right? So these are the two binding site and one antibody. So similar to antigen, binding site on binding site antigen will get attached, right? So we are having two antigen, right, or two binding site in one antibody. Two binding site in one antibody. So at a one time only, we can say two antigen can attach to these two binding site. In one antibody, two binding site are there. So at a time only two antigen can attach. At a time only two antigen can attach. So how they can attach? Like similar two antigen can attach, we can say similar to antigen can attach, not a different, similar to antigen can attach on two binding site at a time. Suppose if we talk about, we are having some class called the IgD, immunoglobulin class G, IgM, immunoglobulin class M, and IgA, immunoglobulin class A. So if we talk about immunoglobulin class M, so right, so the same class, so first suppose immunoglobulin M I'm talking about, say, right? So the same class of antibody have constant region, right? Suppose if I talk about this one, so M class have constant region fixed. M class will have constant region fixed and variable region will be changed in only M class. In M class, antibodies will have same constant region and different variable region. On every antibody of M class will have same constant region, but same class of every antibody will have different variable region. So that was the, we can say, structure and structure of the antibody.